Welcome to Saving Sweet William. The mission today is to build a swimming pool. We're going to be spending a lot of time over in Greece this summer and we're going to need a way to cool off. Now the regulations in Greece mean that you have to have a permit and it's pretty expensive to put a pool in. We're not ready to do that yet, but you can build an above ground pool in Greece with no permit fairly cheaply. I found this one on eBay. It's pretty expensive, not as much as putting a pool in the ground obviously, but if we bought that we'd have to get it over there. Little bit of a mission. So I'm thinking I'm going to build something similar for hopefully about a quarter of the price, hopefully less. And I'm going to use that pool as some inspiration to try and copy it. I found a really good deal on eBay. I'm just about to head off to Bury St Edmunds, which is about an hour and a half from us, to pick up this pool. The next problem I've got is how we're going to get it there, because we've had some quotes about how much it costs to transport a pool over there, and it's pretty expensive to take it on the road. The weight is a bit of an issue. I think that adds to the cost of it. So we're looking at lots of different options at the moment. It looks like the best, cheapest and quickest way is going to be on a plane, but we're not quite sure how it's going to pan out yet. So yeah, next stop, Bury St Edmunds, pick up the pool, go from there. See you soon.
Say hi. We have a swimming pool. Somehow, this needs to get to Greece. That's not it. There's more. Somehow all of this needs to get to Greece. So we're gonna have to do it in a few stages. Gotta do what we gotta do though, right, Em?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got the swimming pool boxed up. Filter, ladder, bits and pieces in that. Swimming pool in this. All the poles are in that one. Swimming pool lining in this one. Okay, this is our swimming pool. Liner. Taking the swimming pool. Filter and liner in there. Poles in there. Random bits in there. That's our clothes. Car parked. And leg it back to the bus stop now, beat the bus. Oh dear. Been a bit of a stressful morning. Realised that the one of the boxes was about 33 kilos. And the maximum you can check on Ryanair is 32 kilos. So I woke up about 4:30 thinking, I don't really want to get to the airport and then have to unpack and then repack and pay extra. So decided to do it at home, paid for an extra case, and yeah, hopefully it's all going to go smoothly. All right, I'm gonna run a bit faster. Hey, we're at Stansted, it's going well. Paddling pool here, swimming pool here. Yeah. Going well so far. Just about to check it into the zone edge. Oversized luggage. It's a swimming pool. Hey, pool. In there. Made it. One in there. Good. Just arrived again.
Hello.
And I'm expecting Joe's handiwork on the front wall. There you go. The good thing about this time of year is the grass doesn't take long to cut, does it? Because it's mostly dust.
I did it when I came in
So the last time we got cut is May.
May.
And we're now start of July.
Yeah.
Aha. There she is, taking it easy. Feet up.
I've been hoovering.
You've been hoovering.
I think the spiders is better than anybody.
So that's the paddling pool. We tried over with Ryanair yesterday. Managed to cram it all into a saloon car. He had a bungee, so he must have done that before. With the boot open. All worked well. big job for this trip is the pool, which is going right there. We're going to begin work on that very soon.
If you'd like to find out how we're going to turn this into something hopefully much more elaborate, please join us next week. Thank you so much for watching.